Hello everyone, myself Ansari Safia from Physics Department, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now this presentation is for class SYBSC Physics paper first, Mathematical Methods in Physics. Now the topic is concept of singular point. Now we know the differential equation. An equation containing derivatives of a function is called as differential equation. So in order to obtain the solution of given differential equation by the method of series solution, it is necessary to study the concept of singular point because it depends upon the singularities of differential equation. Now consider second order linear homogeneous ordinary differential equation of the type y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy is equal to 0, where y double dash is equal to d square y by dx square and y dash is equal to dy by dx. Now this equation is of second order because the highest derivative is 2. Linear because dependent variable and its derivative appear in the first power. यहाँ पर y डैश और y डबल डैश का पावर जो है तो 1 है एंड नो प्रोडक्ट टर्म ऑफ द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल and its derivative occur in the equation. Homogeneous because each term contains dependent variable or its derivative. Now let us discuss the singularity of the above equation at x is equal to x0. Now first point, if px and qx both remain finite as x tends to x0, then the point x is equal to x0 is an ordinary point of the given differential equation. Second point, if either px or qx or both diverge as x tends to x0, then the point x is equal to x0 is said to be singular point of the given differential equation. दोनों मीन्स px और qx दोनों अगर फाइनाइट है तो पॉइंट जो है तो ऑर्डिनरी रहेगा, लेकिन अगर दोनों में से कोई एक या तो फिर दोनों डाइवर्ज होता है तो पॉइंट सिंगुलर पॉइंट रहेगा. Now there are two types of singularity. First one is regular or non-essential singularity. Second, irregular or essential singularity. If either px or qx or both diverge at x is equal to x0, but x minus x0 px and x minus x0 bracket square qx remain finite, then x is equal to x0 is said to be regular singular point of the given differential equation. Second point, if x is equal to x0 is singular point, then x minus x0 px and x minus x0 bracket square qx are both diverge, then the point x is equal to x0 is said to be irregular singular point of the given differential equation. Now we have to solve this problem. क्या करना है? Show that the point x is equal to 0 is regular singular point of Lagrange differential equation. Now the equation is x y double dash plus 1 minus x y dash is equal to lambda y is equal to 0. Now this equation is divided by x, then we get y double dash plus 1 minus x divided by x into y dash plus lambda y divided by x is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with the general equation, y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy is equal to 0, then we get px is equal to 1 minus x divided by x and qx is equal to lambda divided by x. Now when x is equal to 0, then qx tends to infinity and hence x is equal to 0 is singular point of the Lagrange differential equation. अब अगर सिंगुलर है तो उसकी सिंगुलरिटी चेक करना है. देन लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 x px is equal to limit x tends to 0 x. Now px is equal to 1 minus x divided by x. Simplifying this equation, we get it is equal to 1. That means it is finite. Similarly, limit x tends to infinity x square qx is equal to limit x tends to 0 x square into lambda by x, which is equal to 0. That means it is also finite. It means that x px and x square qx remain finite as x tends to 0. Hence x is equal to 0 is regular singular point of the Lagrange differential equation. Okay, thank you.